Hi everyone and welcome to Bumby. Today I'm going to show you how to make some Heart Topiaries using Dollar Tree items. I want to create these for my coffee bar and I thought I'd show you how I did this. So now let me show you the supplies that you will need for this project. Okay, so items needed for this project. I picked up these planners and they come 4 of them and they're in a gray color. We're going to be using 3 of them. We're going to make 3 heart topiaries for my coffee bar. You will need twine. You will need some shish kebab sticks, foam hearts. I'm going to insert a pictures, the ones that are available at the Dollar Tree. I didn't purchase those because I already had these in my craft stash. You will need some Dollar Tree lace ribbon and some reindeer moss in the natural green color and some foam, glue gun, glue sticks, and scissors. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do, we're going to take 3 hearts and we're going to cover them in the moss. Once you have your heart all covered, you're just going to trim more to the shape of the heart to give it a more cleaner look. See? Okay, and then if you see any places missing, just add glue and add a little bit of the moss. Okay, once your heart is ready, you're going to take one of your sticks and you're going to insert it at the bottom here of the heart. Insert it inside your foam heart, like so. Okay, I'm going to set that aside. Okay, taking my foam, I'm just going to cut a piece to go inside my little container, and I'm just going to use a steak knife. And go insert it inside. Trim a little piece off. I'm just going to insert it inside like so. Then I'm going to take, if you see this little trim right over here, I'm going to go ahead and add lace in the middle of that design all the way around. like so. Okay, then next we're going to add some moss to the top of our little planter, like so. Okay, and then just grabbing some twine. I'm going to make a bow. And I'm going to add it to the bottom of our heart, like so. Then we're going to insert, then we're going to cut down our stick. And then we're going to add it to our planter. Now that I have my planters made, as you remember, I made this first one here. So I'm going to take this heart. I took it out of the planter so I can measure. So all three of my Heart Topiaries are the same height. As you can see, I did not glue down the foam or the deer moss because I like to reuse my decor. So I might use these for a different project. I might put natural plants in them. So yeah, I don't want to permanently glue anything down. So let's go put these on my coffee bar. Okay guys, and this is what it looks like here on the shelf of my coffee bar. I think they're adorable. I think I accomplished that Farmhouse neutral decor, and I'm just loving them. Let me know in the comments below how you liked these Heart Topiary project. Guys, I will be having a home tour decorating the Valentine with all the different DIYs that I have done on January the 26th. And join me tomorrow with a useful DIY collab that I am hosting with my friend Mob Dogs. And also, I will be participating in the less $10 challenge tablescape for Valentine's. So see you tomorrow with those two videos. And if you want more Farmhouse Valentine Dollar Tree ideas, I have a playlist, a link below that you can see all the different projects that I've done this week. Bye-bye, guys.